Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we will be doing the chapter 3, the praying hands of the RBSC textbook class 8th. So long ago there was a village whose name was Khetri, and there lived a family where there were 16 children besides parents. And to feed them, only father fed them food because mother was not working. And the father was a blacksmith by profession, and he used to toil means work hard from 7 in the morning to 10 in the night. तो बहुत समय की बात है, एक गांव था जिसका नाम था खेतड़ी. वहाँ पर एक फैमिली रहती थी जिनके 16 बच्चे थे, और उनको खाना खिलाने के, उनको फीड करने के लिए उनके फादर एक ब्लैकस्मिथ थे, लोहार थे, जो दिन से रात सुबह से शाम तक काम करते रहते थे और बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया करते थे. एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, देयर आर 16 चिल्ड्रन. This father, mother, and the family's condition is very poor because they are living in a hut, a kacha house. Then there were two brothers. बहुत बुरी कंडीशन थी. It was a miserable condition of their family, and they were out of 16 children, there were two children whose name was Kuldeep Singh and Sudeep Singh. They had a dream. They had to go to Jaipur and they want to continue their studies for start their studies for like arts, but they were not financially very independent, and they were not financially good. So they both had a dream, and they were very confused what to do. Then they thought and worked out a pact, an idea that they will toss a coin, and whosoever will win the coin will go to Jaipur, and will continue the studies for arts, and those who will and the one who will lose the coin, will lose the toss, will go to the mines and work hard for the other brother to become successful. So the Sudeep Singh won the toss, and Kuldeep Singh started working in the dangerous mine and financed his brother to go to the academy in Jaipur. So he went, and after 4 years he returned, and he was now a very successful person. He had spent 4 years in the academy, and that made his skills very defined, very much pro artist he had become now. And he was charging a very good fee of work because now he has earned a lot of money. Okay, now when the young artist Sudeep Singh returned, everybody was very in a celebrating mood. And after the party, Sudeep Singh thanked his brother Kuldeep Singh, because it was all the sacrifice of Kuldeep Singh. It was basically the sacrifice of Kuldeep Singh. If Kuldeep Singh had not worked in the mines, he would not be able to finance his brother, and Sudeep Singh would not have gone to the academy. So the closing words of सुदीप सिंह ने लास्ट बार बोला कि अब ये तुम्हारी चांस है, नाउ इट इज़ योर टर्न. So now Kuldeep Singh was very crying, and his hand was very shaking because he was suffering from arthritis. Because he has worked in in a dangerous mine, he was not able to hold things and grasp things, and he rose and wiped his tears in cheeks. Kuldeep Singh said that he will not be able to go to Jaipur because it's late, and he has worked 4 years continuously to finance his brother Sudeep Singh. So his bone has smashed and cracked, and he's been suffering from arthritis. So arthritis is a disease that causes pain and swelling in joints of the body. Okay, and it basically due to the breakage and hard work of lifting things. And he is so badly suffering from arthritis that he is not able to hold a glass from his hand, and so he will not be able to hold the delicate things on the canvas, on the stable hand, with using a pen or brush. So it was too late for him. So जो बेसिकली सुदीप सिंह ने मतलब सैकड़ों पेंटिंग्स बनाई थी, हंड्रेड्स ऑफ पेंटिंग्स बनाई थी, बट सबसे ज़्यादा पेंटिंग जो फेमस थी लोगों में वो थी कुलदीप सिंह सिंह की अब्यूज्ड हैंड, अब्यूज्ड का मतलब ये है उसने इतना सारा काम करके जब उसकी हैंड्स की कंडीशन बहुत ज़्यादा डिप्लीटेड थी, पुअर थी, बिकॉज ही वाज सफरिंग फ्रॉम आर्थराइटिस एंड ही सफर्ड फ्रॉम वर्किंग इन माइंस ऑल्सो, तो उसके हाथ बहुत रफ हो गए थे और he was not able to hold a glass in his hands also. So इस जो पेंटिंग थी कुलदीप सिंह की एंड वो with palms together ऐसे with both the palms together, it was a painting like this and it was stretched skyward towards upside and he called his powerful drawing hands, but his painting was named as hands by him, but people all over the world admired the great masterpiece praying hands. So अगर आपको सक्सेस अचीव करनी है तो you should never stop working hard. That's what I want to inspire you. You have to draw these hands and the boy also. Firstly you have to do the word meanings. ठीक है, वर्ड मीनिंग्स करने के बाद आपको ये एक्टिविटी 1 में चूज द करेक्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव. द ब्लैक स्मिथ वर्कड हार्ड बिकॉज, ब्लैक स्मिथ क्यों वर्क हार्ड करता था? क्योंकि उसको अपनी फैमिली को सपोर्ट करना था, बिकॉज ही हैड टू सपोर्ट अ लार्ज फैमिली. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, बोथ द ब्रदर्स कुड नॉट गो टू द अकेडमी फॉर द स्टडीज. दोनों भाई साथ में अकेडमी क्यों नहीं जा सकते थे? बिकॉज उनकी फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन पुअर थी, देयर फैमिली कंडीशन वॉज मिजरेबल. नाउ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू और फॉल्स. A blacksmith used to work for 3 hours. No, he used to work from morning till evening. So this answer is false. Kuldeep should go into the mines and fulfill his dreams. No, he was fulfilling the dream of his brother Sudeep. So this is also false. Sudeep and Kuldeep had ambitions to join academy. This is true. Yes, both of them had ambitions to join the academy. The answer is true. Sudeep has been suffering from back pain. No, Sudeep was not suffering from back pain. Kuldeep Singh, because he was working in mines, so he was suffering from back pain. So this answer is false. The praying hands is a great masterpiece of Kuldeep. No, the praying hand is made by Kuldeep, Sudeep Singh in the dedication of his brother Kuldeep Singh. So this was made by Sudeep Singh. So this answer is false. Okay, chapter 3, the praying hands. Answer these following questions in 10 to 20 words. Where was the academy situated? The Academy of Art was situated in the city of Jaipur. The Jaipur city is in Rajasthan. Why did Kuldeep not go to the academy? Kuldeep did not go to the academy because he had lost the toss. Simple. Why did Kuldeep have to go in the mines to work? As it was pre-decided that the one who will lose the toss will go to mines and support his brother financially for the art education in Jaipur. What was the reason for the party? तो पार्टी का रीज़न क्या था? As Sudeep Singh has completed his course and has now become an artist, his homecoming was the reason for the party. How did both the brothers do? What did both the brothers do to fulfill their dreams? The brothers worked out a pact to fulfill their dreams. Why could both the brothers not fulfill their dreams? The two brothers, Kuldeep Singh and Sudeep Singh, being poor, cannot fulfill their dreams. According to the pact, only one of the brothers could go to Jaipur. How did Kuldeep help his brother? Kuldeep worked in dangerous mines to support his brother financially at the academy. He helped his brother by sacrificing everything. तो यहाँ पर एक्टिविटी 2 में आपको एंटोनिम्स लिखना. एंटोनिम्स मीन्स ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स. ठीक है, मिजरेबल का मतलब बैड होता है और बैड का ऑपोजिट होता है हैप्पी. तो इसका आंसर है हैप्पी. स्मॉल, बिग, स्टार्टेड, एंडेड, फेमिलियर, अनफेमिलियर, नेसेसरी, अननेसेसरी. So now we are talking about you have to complete these sentences using the opposite words that is given on the brackets at the last in the sentences. So the small village Khetri is very dash from Jaipur. तो far को opposite क्या हो जाता है? near. They know that their father was able का हो जाएगा unable to buy a car. We should get up dash in the morning. We should get up early in the morning. Kuldeep Singh dash the toss lose का opposite होता है one, lost one. नाउ ये इनकी सारी स्पेलिंग्स रॉन्ग है, तो हमको करेक्ट स्पेलिंग लिखना है. तो ये रॉन्ग स्पेलिंग्स है, इनके अगेंस्ट आपको सही स्पेलिंग लिखनी, करेक्ट स्पेलिंग लिखनी. लाइक प्रोफेशन, सपोर्ट, SPPORT, रिपीटेड, सफरिंग एंड अब्यूज, ABUSED. रीराइट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस एज डायरेक्टेड, जैसे कि कोई नेगेटिव में चेंज करना है, किसी को एफर्मेटिव में, किसी को इंटरोगेटिव में. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. दे हैव पिक्ड अप देयर बैग्स एंड आर रेडी टू गो. तो उसका नेगेटिव क्या होगा? दे हैव नॉट पिक्ड अप देयर बैग्स एंड आर नॉट रेडी टू गो. नेगेटिव बनाया नकारात्मक. इसका अफर्मेटिव बनाना है दीपा हैज नॉट गिवन हर बुक्स, दीपा हैज गिवन हर बुक्स. ही हैज हेल्प्ड अ बॉय. इसका नेगेटिव बनाना है ही हैज नॉट हेल्प्ड अ बॉय. पिंकू हैज नॉट completed his work. तो इंटरोगेटिव हैज पिंकू नॉट completed his work. Has Pinku not completed his work? She has cleaned the room thoroughly. Negative, she has not cleaned the room thoroughly. Now question number B. Now you have to put has and have along with the correct form of verbs. ठीक है, तो has have होता है present perfect tense और has have के साथ हमेशा verb की third form लगती है. So सरोज go to the market. तो go went gone होता है, तो सरोज has gone to the market. Manish has plugged, तो plucked, plucked the flowers from the garden. The patient has shown, okay, has single के लिए has आता है, plural के लिए have आता है. shown, shown. Manoj has finished his food. I के साथ क्या हो जाता है हमेशा have. I have announced, तो C के बाद D आ जाएगा. I have announced my marriage. So now here आपको jumbled word से correct sentences को build करना है. हैज किक्ड ही द बॉल, तो ही हैज किक्ड द बॉल. ये क्वेश्चन लिखकर इज इक्वल टू करके करेक्ट आंसर आपको लिखना है. नेक्स्ट, यू प्रिपेयर्ड हैव रेसिपी अ फाइन. तो क्या हो जाएगा? यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ फाइन रेसिपी फुल स्टॉप. यू बीन एवर हैव टू जयपुर, तो ये इंटरोगेटिव है. हैव यू एवर बिन टू जयपुर. हैज नॉट कलर्ड द पिक्चर चिया. चिया हैज नॉट कलर्ड द पिक्चर. हैज बॉट इंद्रा अ वीडियो गेम, तो क्या हो जाएगा? इंद्रा हैज ब्रॉट अ वीडियो गेम.